If you're seeing Steam Error Code E84, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Steam working again. This error usually comes up when Steam has a problem connecting your account, refreshing the login, or loading the right local files. The good news is that there are a couple of quick steps you can try before you think about reinstalling anything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the password reset step. This might sound simple, but it can often force refresh the account handshake and help Steam recognize your login properly again. Open Steam and go through the password reset process for your account. Even if you already know your password, resetting it can sometimes refresh the connection on Steam's side and clear out whatever is causing the E84 issue. Once that's done, close Steam completely so we can move on to the next step. Now, we're going to edit the Steam shortcut. Find your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in your Start menu, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, look for the target box. This is where Steam's launch path is listed. At the very end of that line, add a space and then type -login-noreact. Make sure you add it exactly at the end of the target path and don't remove any of the existing text. This extra launch argument can help Steam start in a way that avoids the issue triggering the error. After you've added that, click OK to save the change. Then restart Steam using that shortcut. Let Steam load fully and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can fix the login problem and get you back into your account. If you can open Steam normally now, great, you're already one step closer to solving the issue. If the error is still happening, the next step is to clear the local package folder in your Steam directory. This is another effective fix because corrupted local files can sometimes cause Steam to fail during startup or login. First, fully close Steam so it is not running in the background. Then, open your Steam installation folder. Inside that folder, look for the package folder and delete it. Don't worry, Steam can rebuild these files when it starts again. Once the package folder is deleted, launch Steam again and let it recreate the missing files. This can clear out damaged data and help Steam reconnect properly. If everything goes well, the E84 error should no longer appear and you should be able to log in without issues. To recap, the main fixes for Steam Error Code E84 are resetting your password to refresh the account handshake, adding -login-noreact to the Steam shortcut target, and deleting the package folder from your Steam directory. Try each step carefully and in order, because one of them will often resolve the problem. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Steam and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.